That is a change in allowable use. And we know about this through the zoning laws and different things that are being presented at city council hearings. And you guys should be looking and watching for those things. We got to do our due diligence. So here are the questions. Is it rent rolling? If it isn't, is it because the property is in disrepair or the property is being poorly managed? One of those is going to be true. Now, also, if it is not rent rolling, the seller could be asking more than you should be willing to pay for the property. It's not rent rolling because they're asking too much. Are there any units that need to be rehabbed or rented so we could drive up the rent we could get on a monthly basis? What is the physical condition of the property? And is that the highest and best use of that property? I have done multiple deals where the property that I bought is not the property that I ended up with because I knocked whatever was there down and I put something bigger on it that will produce a greater rate of income. Right now I have a commercial deal that's producing $5,500 a month in income from the building that's on it. But by this time next year, the building that I'm putting on it will produce almost $55,000 a month in income just because we're changing the use and putting a different building on that site. So that would be a highest and best use strategy for that property. And that brings us to the next due diligence item is the allowable use different than what is there? I recently bought a single family home on 5 acres. And when I bought it, the city said I could build duplexes on 10,000 square foot lots. And if I wanted to build single family homes, I needed 7,500 square feet. But the city wanted to encourage single family homes. So they changed the zoning and they said, if you want to build a duplex, you need 12,500 square feet of land. But if you build a single family home, you only need 4,500 square feet. So now I could get 3 units on less land than if I built duplexes. So this was a situation where the value of the dirt went up significantly because instead of building 10 duplexes, I could build 30 single family homes. So that is a change in allowable use. And we know about this through the zoning laws and different things that are being presented at city council hearings. And you guys should be looking and watching for those things. And we will teach you how to do this in our cash flow certification training program. So what is the allowable use? What are the limited conditions on the inside and the outside of the building? And what will the after developed or the future value be?